Hi pilots, welcome to Otto Pilot Products official channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our innovative holding pattern training devices, your ultimate tools for mastering holding patterns and instrument training with confidence. These devices are designed to make complex concepts simple, giving you the tools to visualize and solve holding patterns quickly and effectively. Let me show you exactly how to use them. First, let's take a look at the Hold Visualizer, which helps you understand and visualize holding patterns step by step. To open the Hold Visualizer, press firmly on both sides of the device and rotate counterclockwise. Inside, you'll also find printed instructions to guide you as you use it. For this demonstration, we'll be using the following example. Hold east of the ABC VOR on the 090 radial, right turns. Step 1. Set the wind direction under the blue tab. This gives you a reference point to account for wind correction during the hold. Next, use the green airplane to set your aircraft's current heading and position. This helps you understand where you are relative to the holding fix. Now align the center line of the mirrored holding patterns with the holding radial. After that, rotate the white semicircle to indicate whether it's a left or right holding pattern, depending on your instructions. Finally, rotate the red pointer to set the inbound course. Once that's done, you've got a full visualization of your holding pattern. With the Hold Visualizer, you can also move the green airplane to simulate how the aircraft would fly through the holding pattern. For our example, this is the inbound leg, and this is the outbound leg. You can also rotate the airplane to demonstrate wind correction during the hold. Now that we've explored how the holding pattern looks and behaves, let's return to our original scenario where the airplane hasn't yet entered the hold. To help you follow along, we'll keep an image of this holding pattern in the top right corner of the screen as a reference. Now let's move on to the holding pattern entry solver, which helps you determine the correct entry method, direct, parallel, or teardrop for any holding pattern. Step 1. Determine whether the holding pattern is right turns or left turns. This is key to selecting the correct entry method. We know from our holding instructions and Hold Visualizer that this pattern will have right turns. Next, use the hand with R for right turning patterns or L for left turning patterns to set up the device. Then align the black center finger pointer with your aircraft heading. This step simulates your current position relative to the holding fix. After that, locate the outbound heading for the hold on the outer ring. This helps you identify the key reference point for the hold entry. Finally, use the color system to determine your entry. Blue is for direct, green is for parallel, red is for teardrop. Now let's go back to the hold visualizer to confirm that the entry solver gave us the correct entry method. As you can see, the solver matches perfectly with the entry type for this example. And that's it. With the hold visualizer and the entry solver, you'll have everything you need to master holding patterns and feel confident during your instrument training. If you're ready to take your training to the next level, check out these tools on Amazon.com or at your local pilot shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos.